Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to see how to apply for the revaluation. So who can apply for the revaluation? Only those students who have applied for scan copy, only those students can apply for the revaluation and retotaling. Once when you get your scan copy, you need to see whether there is any improvements in your answer sheet, whether you get any extra marks or any mistakes in totaling, then only you can apply for the revaluation. To apply for the revaluation, you can click on the form, application form for revaluation. You can click on that, or else you can go to the PU Board Department website and you can click there to apply for the revaluation. And I have given link in the description box, you can directly click on that. So here you can see this particular tab once when you click on the application form. Here you can see the application form where you need to fill your mobile number. So first you need to fill your register number. Once when you fill your register number, all this field will be entered like candidate name, father's name, mother's name, subject, college code, subject combination, result, total, everything will be filled. Once when it will automatically generate. Once when it is done, you need to fill your mobile number, email address, total, house address, bank details and click on submit. So next I'll show you what are the details. So here you can see one of the students detail here. Here you can see the register number, you can see the passed out year, application for revaluation copy. Here you can see the candidate name, father's name, mother's name, you can see the college code combination, and here you can see the subjects over here. So here you can see, here you have yes there. So under chemistry, this person is putting revaluation for chemistry. So he has marked as yes. For whichever the subject you want to apply for the revaluation, you need to make it as yes. Then automatically the amount will be generated here. You need to pay this amount. So before paying, you need to give your mobile number. You need to give your email address. This is mandatory. So then you need to fill the account number, IFSC code, that is nothing but your bank details. Then student detail you need to fill, then click on submit. Once when you click on submit, the challan will be, that challan number will be generated. Once when you generate the challan number, note down it. Next step, it is required. So candidate will receive a mobile number. So next you need to do the payment. Payment can be online or offline. Offline means you need to go to bank and you need to pay the money. If it is online, you can pay it through your Paytm, credit card, debit card or internet banking. So here we are going to see how to pay the payment. So first you need to fill the challan number that you have noted in the previous step. Once when you give the challan number, you need to select cash payment mode or else online payment mode. Cash payment mode is nothing but you need to go to bank and you need to pay the money. If it is online, directly you can pay it. So click on online. Once when you click on online, you need to give the bank details. Choose the bank it is asking. So here whichever the bank you have, that bank will be selected by the student. Then generate the challan. Once when you generate the challan, so this is how you are going to generate a challan. So once when it is generated, next step is to pay the money. So here you have a challan number, payment type online or cash payment. So if it is online, you need to select the online banks, that is Karnataka 1 for online payment. So once when you select Karnataka 1, so it will ask for pay now. If you click on pay now, successfully it is paid through your bank. So this is how you are going to pay the amount for the revaluation. This is the steps for applying for the revaluation. If you like this video, please hit a like, share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts, you can leave a comment. I'll reply.